And your mama energy ne aggressive BNI for no. Omo fian the cover in team for John because of say wakase mo di cocaine. My buying you cocaine buying. Say energy no aden am fan konkwachi akronfo. Say wonni mo hwa your mama ministers na wa ponti omo no. Any MPs no ebi to galam say. Bro say your mama ni ni ma mo kan kire no. Say onim na say o say Ghana nsu a me donyame.
It concerning the Ahmed any cocaine scandal ekoso Ghana hanom any the issue of galamsey efa asem amuntaka be kan ho no asem no edu headquarters metre edu do amate twino Jonas anu ama esi ade watias mu bi wabebo gumbi eno so parliament wabe fire National Security Council and National Investigative Bureau concerning arrest here and command command Reverend Tim Fojo over the suspicion or the buy and asem so a Honorable Muntaka we Interior Minister ebe kan efa China for mutu gram so Ghana as Suez o chirim say so we Ghana we China no chiwa odo be go krom no you know say asem na tori trim e to abe fire na say abe fire both MPP and NDC so mo mienu ene tu galam say na omunya very careful aha ipenya block media mesro say ni demo obe like video na da room we subscribe button na subscribe click notification and connect latest update na be kire wa dwen dia ma me e wo comment section mesro so ba so a no che video ma so enya bi ahwe enti mama history kakra ye be kaya 34th March 2025 yen ana ye basti cocaine ana say the free western region ana ebesna ko edumu basti cocaine ewo Accra to Cape Coast highway no so eno mo basti ye as we call narcotic control board ekwo check in the weight any ade no na say cocaine no e worth $350 million enye sika kuma eno mo che ye in less than 2 weeks. Any who say plane miedu bi so abesi Ghana hanom interestingly plane mienu abesi Ghana art is a plane no nyina free Grand Canaria and ba Ghana and a plane nyina say to go back to Grand Canaria is a plane no de be ye Ghana hanom no enti ase anhye da amamu enti ma Reverend Intim Fojo e bi allege say ene plane mienu na e ba ye no me suspect say eno na did that cocaine by intelligence investigations e ma that suspicion e ba ye no First Kwachi Fosu or presidential staffer for communication. Mahama and the Kasama for ever make it 2 posts on Facebook. One of a children premium nearby no. Nabako a Kavok flight. Or children a Kavok flight no the entire bar Ghana and go here no. Then the fuel ana asa 80 or stop Ghana ebe fuel. Plane a 12 free Grand Canaria. Abe take fuel ewa Ghana ha. Esa ko back according to an omuko check plane no say plane oil dress any oil jerry cans any woman eyes na adibia narcotic ebia anymore and other plane na Ahmed no and according to ono trim say the entire Ahmed way stay Ghana for 5 days for sure that Kavok flight no ebedi Ghana have for 12 solid days they are now almost say fele oil no ebedi Ghana for 12 days. And other plane and on your white Ahmed air ambulance and it's been Ghana had more 5 days according to First Kwachi no chirimu say the entire that plane the entire so bad Ghana and say e be take rest because na parrot no omo chinchini amaya we brebe sindu mabre enu through Ghana e home ye the ma plane che di 5 days na say plane no airland no enya front gear best enu mu tie e paye is now home here say omema technicians every Grand Canaria aba back to Ghana abe service it will the tie for free Grand Canaria e buy any flight ebe service engineers e buy ebe service enu nti ma plane you no eba Ghana esa koye e ma mo for just be explanation and toss because how comes a plane to free baby plane be to free Germany aba Ghana abe fuel na be di 12 days na say akọ back na plane for 12 that on my chronem Germany who has aba Ghana abedi 5 days and also say na ya say in your fort na abedi 5 days one say akọ asem no tosum it na Reverend Tim Fojo o push the agenda say yenye nhwemu ye ko case nsem we there me intuition e kire me say it has connection with the two flights na eba Ghana no Emma omega say there be there as ade a Tim Fojo eye no o two photo Ghana for any as o person dey anim gwase bi ebe bata NDC amamu enti eno a daytime no mo eno mo sma National Investigative Bureau any National Security Council e call Reverend Tim Fojo fee ankomuko akwache no
Boss, obi ma me data on am send movie. No me so me me phone so I send me video. Baby me need data. Ntaji e no no ma.
What I say, it's MP before gurus in your hand to say police for and I said National Security Council for call revenue for your fee equatin. Omu yina ebo ra hon ma say omu ko prevent the arrest of that gentleman. Now that instance no ana twunyas ebu say so se motimi enya ahoɔdene obi raise suspicion nkwa was me investigation mo kwa akɔkyene dia adenti na omu to galamsey organizers association dem muntimi use the same NIB any National Security Council for enkwachi wo mu
the peace. I don't want problems. So, and your mama energy ne aggressive BNI for no. Omo afian om de kofa in team for John because of say wakase mo de koke ma ban ne koke aban. Sa energy no ade na mo fan konkwachi akronfo. Mo anya adwuma ni ya meba be fire mo because see galamsey no. Yes say MPP for na be ka tem say omo ne mu na etu. Omo ne NDC for na etu. Enti galamsey na sensuo ne sei ba. Ye ba ye be fight galamsey ye be chi omo no. Omo abeka tem say John Mahama mo NDC ministers no aba betua how kwan fa so to galamsey free MPP for no MPP for na na ka kire me omo se anu ntina mu ntime stop galamsey no MPP for no say si amo mo ne omo na etuo ntima ban na wo so die ntina mu ntime nchi excavator no dabi excavator ndodo na mo na mo san to free MPP for no ntimu ministers no se wonni mo hwe adwoma ma ministers na wo ponti omo no any MPC no ebi to galamsey ti ya careful nyasa galamsey be se wa mamuo no because MPP for no se omo ni mu na etu enu ntina mu ntime nchi omo no order from above no mo ban na ebu aman no enti order from above for NDC minister na amasa order no enye Akufo-Addo minister so enti mesraw madu ho adanse e ma me nsa mesi fom madu ho adanse even though say mu nyina ma jimi de ba mo no mu jimi no fom che MPP fo no wa MPP fo ba mu wia ya no patu anyumre yi levy anopa no di wia mo ba ma betwitwam omo anopa omo wia left and right side bi omo wia ma mo ba ye kro no ni nyina ma twitwam ti ama me pemasem enti mesira mo ma mo nye galamsey no ense ye nsuo ni ye ni ba bia akọ ko bibini obviously the ally is politics politics adena momfa soldier for ni police for nkwachi omomgu assassin so mutu galamsey no because police for ni say order from above ntie ntime nchiom order from above wan aban na ebu oman no anti se modi campaign abase ye ba ye bechi MPP for mo ye galamsey na ya ba beduru ni ene omu nyina ko timu apse mo nkire kwan fa so ye galamsey ni nyina ye nyemom no eno na emi problem no eno na emi problem se jo mama ni ni ma mo nka kire no se onim na se o se ga na nsu a me donyame the same way amede ya kufu asa na me be ye no mo nka kire no se me si onim na Ghana nsuo da ne tom now the same way amene me ya Akufo-Addo sa na me because na control police ni soldier for and so omo ntimi stop omo mu se nsuo na be ye wa ban panimfo na apostle omo se mo nko adwuma enko stop omo eye nkwase ade na bibini agimi sa ye ne ba bia akọ e wo wiase ya sase ya de ama ba kwasi broni kroma ni kro kama because mpanifo ni miyansa mo de ye problem nyina ya mo mpanifo ya nya magimi ya se moa majimi ayese nam majimi ayese ta
Tunisia and Kasanto as well on say concern the issue of galamsey muntaka we interior minister every year press conference and otire mu say China for mutu galamsey ni des what chewa onyo ohwe onfa wontum onyo ohwe do be ya say or do be call back to Chrome.
And the Chinese and some other citizen Filipinos that we found the kind of activities that we do were purely defrauding citizens around the world using a system that is set up that was so sophisticated. Many of them are into our forests. Many of them are cutting our trees unlawfully. Others are involved in galamsey activities and many other crimes. We have resolved as a new policy that for 2 things, you in our forest, whether doing galamsey or cutting our trees unlawfully, getting yourself into fraud activities, that's whether using computer or other fraud activities, for these 2 crimes, when we arrest any foreigner, we are not interested in prosecuting them. Our first option is to take them back to their country. And this is something that we are very serious about. And you are the first point of call when sometimes you make arrests or when people are arrested, they are handed over to you. Please, if it involves these 2 things, the prosecutors within the police have officially written to the Attorney General, we are not interested in prosecuting people who are destroying our environment and who are defrauding people across the globe. What we want is that we want to take them back into their country and then we'll put them on the stop list, never to be able to come back to our country.
Or be deported to Akko Krum. Junior said there be asthma honorable air Canada and Tosmo, Nesse, Ghana near the Abit Machinatum, but foreigner the Obama Concura, David, Yanasa.
Muntaka Jimmy Fue Betna or say, or no chiga or chi are for na illegal for na China for no bejamo makum crum free. What you are trauma damage, G gold or matunina and a far repair in Suma Krumu for myself Munsun. Musizi Bibia. So watch China Nina Ujana man did the gold the way we are be a con crum nedia. I am quasiasem. And to say, must say a brodum consu, and now boase, and now I yamenansa, and now a beer, and young quantum soon, Masaya, was any pana macho mono, Muni sicani in fan repair a crum suono, Namufama crumu of one bibini, Adena bibini bro, Yasisa. Adena bibini bro, Yase, on one or tracker ma, quine a cocuno, or Beffie. No, did this so akonum so a de galamsey asensuo no ekuku o tifie so a onye adwuma nye onye aduane no wadi obre o wi asese adan oman a ye pie ye wo bibia enti mesramo it's never too late ye betimi atigimi no so bibi ni nso ye nipa NDC MPP mum fa hye madwim me menye politician and he said, Jimmy, I'm about fire. It doesn't matter. Say, oh, yeah, NDC, new MPP, or Pam, or being Casse, or Trinjonas, NDC, Trinjonas, MPP, and family who were Jimmy Biambabe, deal top, or mining you beyond tono. Maybe I don't support, we support to goodness and greatness. I don't support foolishness. And it doesn't matter who you are. So when you're Germany, I'm about fire. So, anti corona omukromu afo na omufrem say your NDC for obi say mama birthday no sir happy birthday obi say where is your NDC followers bro me no me a huge me my senyankopon obi a follow me bi my senyankopon kramofo follow me a Christopher follow me abosonson follow me NDC force follow me. MPP force follow me. Obia follow me. What do I say? Anti say I'm there for all of you. I'm not there for anybody. What do I say? Anti say one particular group and they follow me there. Me the antisa. Me the here for all. Where Jimmy have fire. It doesn't matter. Say me minimum and I minimum. Minimum crown and person fire more no ya de papa. Your mama say the tia na me fire on ne knaman Kevin and say what buying a boo or mine no what buying a rule. Problem si or mine be ma krobima. A buying an kasa sam mopa say will be nkodi kromo of water. Mo yes sir. Da ache bia no okwa kromo of obekayo. Say we to abama o say ni say na de ye ntie ntoma bi o ba se wa mopa ma obi ankodi kromu ofo atem na se even kromu ofo no kra nipa abo ne pa no ani o matem na okọ kanyansa sem kire omo a next time no okọ omo besa so ape wasem ato ama ba se wo mo obi di o matem a che se wo mpese wo party ni benya ni munya mo kromu ofo bi o won enu ntina na me gina no so no because se wo bopa se ejato Asante region yenkodi asantefo atem no a wrong decision because say we say na say jato ba bi foforo na won so musan kodi o matema wani mra won so na 4 years na mra na madi obi atema hia na afi mo onye obi akono bi o because politician no yato abanema wa the goal is not say be abuse the people, the goal is to solve the people problem. And to say obema obi atena ba bi de verbal abuse now they say nipa no ye taxpayers money na to aduane mani de no nkwase asem entina na nse ma stop na boa no se me minti no ntime my life no because ma be dey o mo top am ma frɛ na ma ne won say yesrew to boase because Jimmy sem maba power wie mu hia sem be di obi atem o one the goal is to say mo promote ade papa am ye na highlight mu din no one we me chat say your mama ko yi VAT free driver force yi on VAT that car insurance nyansa bien because Ghana car insurance no car konya accident insurance for from omfa omfa so wa self sika koye car no kwase asem nko a Jimmy sem enti say Jimmy we nyina koso na mo ye dan mo ye mo jije nkwase sika abra insurance no kra anya adwuma papa bia o enti say your mama twema it makes more sense now wa betena no aka ho asem said your mama buy so castle base and power yet on and on the go into when there's time for everything. Time I'm in position mediatem, medi the obu or mine at them. Time I'm about position me near them, me presume me pertino, enemy mempenino. That is how the narrative supposed to be. And Jimmy no my Jimmy say boy no club di matem senke they say ndisi for nim nyansa I sen kombe do me condemn no say na twin Jonas kra ka bi mai oye dede mai ono aye ntua ne ka no o ka bi mai because pegana yesi emra me fix problem no na wa ye tua o ka no mum na ko attack no on Jimmy enti say what wo be because me superstar o ko bo Jimmy threat say me deport twin Jonas o man nyino bi abet nti obi expect say ye be deport me ampa o man ntimi an deport me a afi no be hu say na obi amfa mu serious bio so on ya re nti me sremo the Jimmy no me ente so ne divert attention into say ye be fix problems na previous aban no e critical on that will make ye party no embe ma ye party na nya ni monyam na daache no ye timi aka bi amamo ti de me chemu ni yo entimo pa munyai ntokahunu ya bo pass obi ni we atem ye nyai sa no ma ni nyina ni ye nya adwuma ni ye se be ya Ghana ni ejina ba bi o se ye hu difference ye hu aban mu ni aban mu ye hu akofo ado aban ni ye hu Dwomama aban ye nim se Dwomama ye chen we on na se mo nso be Jimmy ti se akofo ado mu a daache no wana betima gina ba bi akoka se ye nkoto abama mo on se no mo de bien na abo awuro bi fie na mo che no wadi boni a eno no ye betima ba be different se boni no di ye ntimi akoche no on ba se asofofo yi say vice Dwomama kuku no vice nso ye ntene nka biu won na police fo ntimi nkochi asofofo no ba se obi se ai na adwen o suggest na nwen se koke a esi airport a ye load koke wo plane no koku ni nyina ye Dwomama de a eno de na mo ho aden less than 24 hours soldier for ni police for the Jimmy aduru ho kofa ni pana e ba sa na I say koke no Muhammad ampa o se mu invite ni pan no mra eni ko asem ko create scene na ba news mo bia hu se I say entimo friend no mra no me chekire mu na afi mu nya investigation because mo ya ndi sa ade se ade ntina obi di bone wa ha ntimi nkochi no ba obi di bone wa ha de ane akochi no say law no titi equal nti se obi aka asem na ya nkochi no na obi so aka asem ani ko ase akochi obi foforo e man say owusu bempa eka say maami na ebewu no eno mo ye fast this soldier for koche no na we nso say maama de koku ko ene ye koche na it makes sense it break even ba owusu bempa aka ne na mo asofofo agimifo yi aka ne na mo but obi koka we kura de nenye hu koku de esem ne da bia mo nyina small gira kronfo nko but the oni pan kwan de magya amane na mo on mo yes enye fine se mo ni soldier fo bebo awuro bi fi akina monya dan monye muntiti obia equally owusu bempa ko jimi am nkofa no pepepe sana member of parliament nso jimi am nkofa ne sa pepepe ba se obusu bempa jimi na muntimi nkofa ne sa member of parliament jimi am nkofa no mo mfre no because ni parliament net parliament wo tembe usi wo enti mo sisa soldier fo ku twa ne fie hu hia na aba news no obia hu sa asem ye asem ye npa bonefo wow. Obisi, they invited him several times. He never came. Okay. And Tisana mo invited him several times. No. One man. At then I'm on family to news to say you're inviting the person or ma into a wanted ye betcheno. And Tisana so your phone could go Ghana for you now ya aware say Nipan na so na your friend wama intini ya kwachi say kinofata mama ne wanted. And I'm watching any obi an wada. Tiri me chem ni yo mukwachi kinofata obi abebaji so because wanted ye nya no ba se ma money pa no wanted na mfiti preko pe ma bawura na mko akomo anu gidi a e de ntina de ono kan kwa asem ba ko ne mantinya akofa no enti ayese favoritism wa ade no ade na ese mutiti obi a equally eti ko ko ninya dwoma amade a e de ntina rushing na mo de kwachi nipa no so enti mo ma de nye professional enti se akwasi kokan kwasi asem na eti amra na ese ekwochi na ese ekwochi no kwabena kokan kwasi asem na eti amra ese ekwochi na ese ekwochi no ba se akwasi kokan ye ntime nchi na kwabena kokan so ye ntime nchi no se muti sa nyansa no to ma adwem obviously something in your eyes yes metraka na me kasa sometimes no many pronso yeah na nyame yo weather na wa America na no den foke imehunu mi na so awone ba na awiabo na awaba na awiabo na awaba na awiabo it means stable I know unstable weather dynamic weather ba me ko business meaning bi ba me fa BMW because so ma releasing new car bia o my friend accountant no ntino frame no ntimi me se me pan ma ba beji car no because minimum like I buy their cars, I love their cars enti omo releasing new model bi omo frame omo invite me se me mra me enti omo releasing new model bi omo say equivalent to kese na me wono eco 2000 something horsepower enti me if I like it then I buy it enti me kwa akore se me pa me kwa akoto enti we no ni nyina kasatintin ni nyina wie ni say mama yen support boy na wawu no Germany for no mama yen support no me say minya ne yere ne number me send ni sika akra because minim say come na na de boy no pressure na nam social media temni die ni nyina ye come ni bre e come masa ho kire ye me di hia o Ghana sa ntiminim how painful it is o sorry na oni sika de be didi now new be a coca chance on Mosca. I know how painful it is, and Nuntina ma try say Monsieur Krubia me won't be a mirror. And Tembia me dodgem ran say be a man so me. Na Enrique me na me medan me memobo. And Tembiano I make sure say until we are brantia na so ba bruchia before say won call ware crown make sure so we save ska be $100,000 down. And unko country will be a fight to savings account, baby, high yield savings account. Your friend now firing baby 4% or now 5% of interest. Now first can choke baby first emergency money in case of so yare. In case of so yare. Now se office untime nkwa adwuma. Pressure now so gidi because backup. Nyasa pressure nti wumma wonto na wo di America sanso de kwa adwuma ubewu because awodin na wo no eno na wo de kwa ye adwuma nti tambia no wo backup money gu ba bia ho e ma wo peace of mind ema wo ye den wo relax Mimi say that snow better and so better me piem ko ba bia me da all day. Why? Because me was sky.
Yanya insa. Ede tunjinas abeke kanadwene pa. Wa beke kanadwene. Ejim se galamsey no eye both MPP and NDC for na netu enti mu mienu mon kam humom. Eye mo na ma form the parliament. Mon kam humom na muntu ase. Na munya se mo de politics na we boda be shake blame. Ni za be shift blame. Munya de mo ye mo ne Ghana for adwene edi agro. Muntu galamsey ase. Ede tunjinas ede won ye ma the government say Mahama entu galamsey ase a. In fact onhu ni ye. Se Mahama entu galamsey ase a. Onhu ni ye. Chere wadwe ma me e wo comment section. Ayi Panya Block Media. Accra.